A cute little boy comes home from outside. His hands are dirty with mud. He walks to his mother and says, "Inner do mama. Mir hath dirty hain, much be paper soap bana kadeen." The mother smiles lovingly, takes a small paper and some liquid soap, and starts making a homemade paper soap. The boy watches curiously and smiles with excitement. The mother puts the soap strip to dry, then gives it to the boy. The boy dips it in water and washes his hands happily, amazed by the magic. Soft daylight, cozy home environment, warm colors, gentle background music, natural acting. And with the boy looking at the camera saying, "Api garpar paper soap try kiji." Soft happy background music fades.